This roasted garlic tomato basil pizza only took me 30 minutes and my family loved it. Mukha siyang mahirap but it's so easy. First, I ordered all my ingredients on Built-A-Mart, and in just a few hours, all these specialty finds were delivered to my house. I got my phyllo dough, 2 kinds of mozzarella, burrata, and so much more. All I have to do now is assemble my pizza. Combine roasted garlic, extra virgin olive oil, and butter. Then layer your thawed phyllo sheets one by one, brushing the oil in between. To do this, form a cross and an X 2 times for a total of 8 layers. Next, I have my firm mozzarella, which I've cut into half-inch sticks, and I'm wrapping the edges to form a nice mozzarella stuffed crust. Brush everything with oil and poke with a fork to control the air pockets. For the sauce, I already love this olive oil garlic pasta sauce, but you could use whatever tomato sauce you want. Add the roasted garlic from the oil that we used. Add sliced tomatoes and thawed frozen mozzarella to get it nice and melty. Bake for 20 minutes or until golden brown, then add your fresh basil, burrata, and fresh cracked black pepper. Try this out and make any pizza flavor of your choice. Download the Built-A-Mart app now and order your ingredients.